So I'm going to show you how to control your Vitron Smart TV without the remote. So let's say you've run out of remote battery or the remote is lost and you want to control your TV, then here's what you can do. So at the bottom here, there's going to be a button. Okay, so it's right next to the standby light. So this is a standby light, and then down here, if you go a bit further, there's a button. So if you press on this button once, you see this menu that allows you to power off, go to the menu, change source, change channel, and change volume. Now that button will disappear after some time. So basically, to move to different menu items, you press once. And then to select something specific, you long press. So for instance, I can press, and then if I want to, let's say, reduce volume, I'll just press once, again, 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 until I go to volume down. And then once that's highlighted, I long press, and that's going to reduce the volume. Okay. Now, if I want to increase the volume, I'll just go back all the way to the beginning, press once and release, go to plus, and then long press, and that's going to increase the volume. And that's how you can do so many things with this menu. You can turn the TV off. You can go to the main menu. You can change the input source device, so you can switch to a certain HDMI. You can change the channels and adjust volume just with this one button. Once you're done, just let it go, and it's going to disappear from the screen in a few seconds. So that is basically how to control your smart TV, Vitron Smart TV, without the remote. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.